Hello and welcome to the new CALL website. My name is Liana Giavondo. I'm a content strategy consultant in Toronto and founder of Pertinence.ca. I'm also a member of CALL. I worked with Connie Crosby, members of Paralucent, and the CALL Executive Committee to bring you this new site. This is one of 4 orientation videos to help you learn your way around and take advantage of the new features. I'm going to start this video with a quick introduction to the content management system we're using and then outline some of the new features. After that, I'm going to give you a tour of the site from left to right. The redesigned CALL website is built on an open source content management platform called Drupal. Because Drupal is open source, there are no extra costs involved with using the software. It is donated by the development community. Drupal is currently one of the most popular content management systems tools in the market. We are excited about new features and improvements to the CALL website. The redesigned website allows you to request a new password automatically and to edit your user account details. You can also renew your membership and register for the annual conferences online. You can share info and content with other CALL members using blogs and subscribe to news feeds using RSS alerts. Each committee and special interest group can create their own wiki to share meeting minutes, reports, and other working documents in a members-only area of the site that is password protected. Documents that should be shared with non-members can be published in the Publications and Documents section of the new site with the help of the site administrator. There is also a new Jobs and Careers section that features current and archived listings. Now I'm going to give you a tour of the site, starting in the upper left corner of the screen and ending in the lower right. I logged into the site before starting this recording, so the tour is going to include content that you will only see if you are already logged in as a CALL member. Have a look at the video on logging in and editing your account detail to guide you through those steps. The left-hand column is the navigation menu. In the upper left, we find a link to the homepage, which features a slideshow of various law libraries across Canada. The next link down will take you to the About CALL ASABD area of the site. In this area, you will find a detailed description of the association, the most up-to-date president's message, a list of the current and past executive boards, and a list of committees and special interest groups. This list includes links to individual pages that help to describe what the committee or group does for the association. These pages include the terms of reference or mandate, the work of the group, background, and composition. They are intended to help newcomers to the association identify volunteer opportunities and to guide members of the committees and groups while they work. The content on these pages does not change frequently and does not include meeting minutes or reports. You will see later in this video where groups and committees can store those types of working documents. The About CALL ASABD area of the site also includes the association bylaws and instructions to posting to CALL-L, the association listserv. In the membership area, you will find a list of the benefits to being a CALL member, as well as a membership registration and the mentoring program. You can also renew your membership here online, or you can download a copy of the membership form and mail it in. The Scholarship and Awards area details the various scholarships, bursaries, grants, and awards offered by CALL. In the Conferences and Events area, you can find information on CALL events as well as a list of other association events. By clicking on Webinars under Conferences and Events, you can find the detailed description of CALL webinar programs as well as registration information. You can also access recordings of previous programs if you were registered for the original event. Keep in mind that you must be logged into the website using your member user ID and password to see these pages. They are also protected by a second password given only to registered participants. In addition to the webinars, you can find a list of past conferences, leading you to past conference materials. You will also find information regarding the new Law Librarians Institute under Conferences and Events. Of course, the pages for our annual conference will also be found in this area. The pages were not prepared at the time of this recording, so I'm not able to show them to you now. However, when they're up, you will find that they include all of the program, registration, accommodation, travel, social events, and sponsor information for the conferences. You'll also find an online registration form for the conferences and pre-conference events. The next item in our navigation menu is the Members Only area. The first link you will find in this area is to the annual general meeting material. From this page, you can access agendas, reports, and the minutes from the 2 most recent annual general meetings. The next page is a list of member profiles, where you can view a list of all members who have agreed to display their profile in the membership directory. You can filter by a committee or special interest group, or you can click on the All link and search by first name, last name, email, institution, city, or province. You can read blog entries from active members who are contributing to the CAUL website using the blogging feature in the members only area as well. Forums are another new feature where you can engage in active discussion on topics proposed by other members or yourself. There's more detail on how to blog, follow other bloggers, and contribute to forums in the video on creating content, blogs, forums, and comments. Another one of the new exciting features on the redesigned CAUL website are the committee and group working sites. These pages are here for you to share and store documents that are used to conduct the business of your group or committee, as well as share information with other members of the association. Documents kept here might include your meeting minutes, reports, newsletters, or even just a list of good ideas your group wants to follow up with. Terms of reference, the group or committee mandate, or other information that is more permanent will be in the group or committee page under About CAUL ACBD. This area of the site is a wiki, which means it can be edited by any member of the association. All materials placed here are done so by members. If you see something missing, go ahead and add it. There is more information on working sites and detailed instructions on how to add content in the video on creating content, committee and group working sites, as well as written detailed instructions found at this link. The Canadian Law Library Review is the final link in the members only area. This page only includes one link, which will take you to Hein Online to find digital copies of the journal from 1970 to the current date. You will not need login information for Hein Online if you are already logged into the CAUL website. Next in the navigation menu is the Publications and Documents area of the site. In this area, you will find details regarding the Canadian Law Library Review, such as advertising in the journal, a list of editorial board members, style guide, and award information. The journal itself is accessible from the members only area of the site, which I just mentioned. You can also find surveys, position papers, and occasional papers in the Publications and Documents area. Committee and group publications is where you will find those documents created by committees and groups that should not be restricted to members only. Ask for the help of a site administrator to have your documents posted to this area. The Jobs and Careers area is an exciting new feature of the site where members across Canada can find job opportunities. You can also add posting to this list by contacting the CAUL head office. You could submit other comments or questions to the CAUL head office using the Contact Us form. And the site map is a common feature of any website to help search and navigate the site. The final item in the navigation menu is the CAUL website content guidelines. The revamped CAUL ACBD website allows for a much broader discussion than before. Members can create blogs, participate in forums, and edit and comment on content posted by SIGs and committees. These guidelines are meant to help foster an open, cordial atmosphere that adds value. Please take some time to consider them before adding content to the new CAUL website. So that's it for our left-hand navigation menu. In the upper right corner of the screen, you can use the search box to find any term that appears on a page in the CAUL website. For example, a search for the term webinar recovers the following list of pages. You can see that search results show you helpful details such as the type of page, author, date, and number of comments. If you are not already logged in, you will find the user login box under the search box. There are more details on how to log in, reset your password, and edit your account details in the video called Logging In and Editing Your Account Details. Under the search box, you can see the news feed where website administrators will publish announcements. You can subscribe to this feed using an RSS aggregator by clicking on this icon. Under that is our calendar where you can keep track of CAUL events. And that's it for our tour. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this and the other instructional videos available for this website.